name's Moskowitz.
And I'm Elizabeth Hagearty, and this is our game Stock Market Challenge. So, to play the game, you start by clicking the green flag, and it just brings you to this start page where you have the choice to either directly start the game or go to an introduction. The introduction goes through information about the stock market, how to play our game, and it just teaches you about things that will help you to play the game, because this game is all about learning about the stock market and understanding when it's best to sell and when it's best to buy, and what we have a news feature to our game that helps you know what's influencing the stocks, so you'll know what to invest in, and it helps you know about that. But since I'm here, we're just going to start the game. So you get to main menu, and you have three main options. You can trade, you can research, and you can check your portfolio. And then you can also go to the next day. So our game is made up as 5 days where you can buy and sell for those 5 days. And at the end of the 5 days, then you see if you've made money or lost money. So we're gonna let's go to research. And these are the 10 stocks. Well, there's 6 stocks and 4 ETFs. Our introduction explains the difference. But these descriptions also give just information about each stock. So we're going to go back to main menu. When you go to trade for the first time on the first day, the news shows up. So this will help you know what to invest in. If you want to go back and check the news, then you can just go back to the research page. So here's all the stocks. You just click on them and the information will appear. So for Apple, the cost per share is $61. Right now we have 0 shares. The total share value is 0, that means. And we can buy 81 with our $5,000. So let's buy 30 of these. So then the information refreshes, and you can just click on a new stock and look at that. We're just going to buy a few, and then we'll move on to the next day. Okay, main menu. Okay, so the next day, the news pops up for the day, so this helps you choose what you're going to invest in during that day. Just click on it to move on back to main menu, and we can check our portfolio and see how everything's changed. So this portfolio gives you the last price, so that was yesterday's price for the stock, how much it changed. So Apple changed 11.7%, so now it is $68.14. It just gives us information about each one, which one, and by seeing this, it shows you which was a good investment and which wasn't, and then you can compare it that will help you know what to invest in next based on the news. So if we go to research, we can check today's news again. And then we're just going to back to main menu. It's easy to sell. So if we want to sell these, you just type in how many you want to sell. So yeah, so everything recalculates right there for you. Okay, we're going to go, let's buy. Apple seems like it will be doing well, so let's just buy a few more of these. Okay, we're going to go back to main menu. So T3, 4. Okay, so this is 5 days. This is the last day. So on every day the news has different things, and you have to interpret it and what it exactly means. Like the housing market crashes, which stocks will that impact? So we're going to go to the next day and see if we won or lost this game. Congratulations, you succeeded and made money in the stock market. So it gives you the total accounts value, as well as the amount you gained or lost. So we made $380. You can check your final portfolio and see where all the stocks ended up. So Apple over the time had a total percent gain of 10.8. That means we probably should have sold it when it was higher because we originally had a higher total percent gain. But that went down. So yeah, okay, let's just go through and see what happens when we lose. So if I just invest in one stock that at the end is lower than where it is at the beginning, then we'll lose the game. So I'm just gonna buy. When the housing market crashes, Bank of America bottoms out. That's a hint for you. So we're just gonna buy some of these and see what happens. The news, and when you go on the trade page, you can see how the total accounts value has gone up. So it's actually gone up $33. So the whole point, like, you always want your total accounts value to be higher than $5,000. Once it's lower, then you're starting to lose money. Okay, so last day. So see, we've gained money here. Probably be a good time to sell them. But we're going to go on to the next day. Better luck next time. You lost money in the stock market. Let's just look at the portfolio. So it shows you the current price, the shares, the day gain, the total percent gain, and then the total value of your shares. So you just lost money. Okay, well, thank you for watching our walkthrough, and hopefully you learned something about the stock market. Thanks.